In this session, we're going to look at the introduction for non-stock items. Now, I've created a non-stock item here already. And there's 4 different options when it comes to non-stock items. I'm going to explain them in the introduction and then individually create sessions for each one of those options. The first one is where your non-stock item, in other words, you specified the category up here, has no cost. Then the second option is where you can specify that the cost as a percentage of the selling price is a certain percentage. Then we would always say that the cost price for this non-stock item is 25%. Or the last 2 options I can say, there we go, let me just type in a 0 there. The next 2 options is use a fixed cost. Then I have 2 options where I can enter a fixed cost, say that it's always 70 Rand, or I can leave it out. The last option will allow you to leave out the cost price. Then every time you sell this non-stock item, it's going to bring up a screen to say, what is the cost price? So those are the 4 options. No cost price, or a cost price as a percentage of the selling price, or it's a fixed cost where you can specify a fixed amount, or you say yes, but this amount will change every time. Then you can leave the fixed cost out, and we will then bring up a little screen every time you sell that item to require the cost price, the fixed cost price for that item. And that concludes the introduction of a non-stock item. I will explain all 4 options individually again in different training sessions.